Before we get into this video, I just wanted to say the reason I'm not wearing a PFD and harness here is because I'm sailing on an extremely calm day in very protected inland waters. I understood and was willing to take the minimal risk of not wearing the safety gear on this day. We fully plan on using PFDs with harnesses anytime we're offshore or in bad weather in situations where they're obviously recommended.
So this is going to be the first time I've ever taken the boat out by myself. Just going to go for a little hour-long sail, not going to go far. Just want to see how I can do handling the boat by myself. The leaving the dock went pretty well. Granted, I am lucky that I have a very calm marina to moor our boat at. So coming in is going to be a little more hairy, I think, because I'm going to back it in, but I think it's just getting the lines on. The good thing about that slip is that it has those lines on the side, so your boat can kind of just run into the lines as long as you're going slowly, and as long as you're in the slip, you're not going to come out and go into another boat. Sailing. I'm gonna tack, and then I'm gonna clean up the cockpit a little bit. As you can see, it's a very calm day, very beautiful. I wouldn't be doing this if it was a rough day or if I was offshore. I'm surrounded by land. There's nothing really that, the worst that's gonna happen is if I fall overboard, I swim to shore, and the boat crashes into the land, but that would suck, but it's not life-threatening. Alright, I'm gonna tack. Never tacked before by myself. Let's do it. Boom. Like a professional. Not so much, not really. It's better than that last one was. pretty good. Hands are off the tiller most of the time when we're cruising. It's just, I went right into the wind once we got out of the slip, so I was just tacking back and forth by myself. So it got a little complicated. Never tacked by myself, but learning. It's definitely a skill to learn. But other than that, everything's really simple. Never have to leave the cockpit for anything. Pretty view of Tampa. I've never done this with this boat. I've never gone wing on wing before, and I'm doing it first by myself, so this is pretty cool. It's really calm though. It's good. It's a good conditions to try it. Water's super calm. Looks so cool. I don't know if you can see that, but we're doing about 2.5 knots. Probably at about, I'd say about 6-7 knots of wind. Coming into the channel, I'm gonna try doing it under sail and see what happens. Saw another boat do this the other day. I think it's calm enough I can do it. I just have my main up, no Genoa. Got the motor running, just so in case I need to, motor somewhere real quick to avoid a piling or something. But we're gonna see how we can do. We're gonna see what we can do here. My depth finder's reading 291 feet. I don't think that's right.
Thanks for watching, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, sorry about the shorter video. We've been pretty busy with non-sailing related stuff, but next week we'll get back to some boat work and we'll have a couple interesting announcements to make as well.